Did you know that over 60% of people who try to make money online give up in the first 3 months? Not because they're lazy, but because they don't have a method that actually works. So today, I'm putting the T.E.C.H. simple method to the test and showing you how it could change everything. Could this be the game changer you've been waiting for? Let's find out. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I dive deep into real-world strategies that help everyday people create online income. And today, we're unlocking the full potential of something I call the T.E.C.H. method, an easy-to-follow, powerful system built around 4 pillars: time, effort, creativity, and hustle. And trust me, it's way more powerful than it sounds. So let's break it down and see how people just like you are earning $100, $1,000, even $10,000 plus a month by applying it. Now, let's talk about why most people fail when trying to make money online. Maybe you've been there. You started a dropshipping store, but nothing sold. You tried affiliate marketing, but no one clicked your links. You downloaded a side hustle app, but the payouts were pennies. It's frustrating. And here's the truth. It's not you, it's the lack of structure. Most online guides focus on hype, get rich quick, or make $500 a day doing nothing. But what they don't tell you is that consistent, scalable income comes from having a method. Something that keeps you grounded when things get tough and helps you grow when you start gaining traction. That's where the T.E.C.H. method comes in. It's not magic, but it works like one when you commit to it. It's designed to help you succeed even if you've failed before. And what's more, it can be used with any online business model, whether you're freelancing, creating content, building a brand, or selling digital products. Let's break down the T.E.C.H. method. T is for time. Time is your most valuable asset. But here's the twist. Most people waste it jumping from one idea to another. If you commit even just 1 to 2 focused hours per day to your online income stream, you can build something powerful. It's not about how many hours you have. It's about how you use them. Let's say you spend 90 minutes a day on freelance writing. That's over 45 hours a month. At $30 per hour, that's $1,350 a month. Working part-time from your laptop. Time is the foundation. It's where your income begins. E is for effort. Now, this is where many people drop off. They want the reward without the grind. But online income is like going to the gym. You don't see results instantly, but over time, boom, huge change. Putting in the effort means sticking with your plan even when you're not seeing instant results. Whether you're learning SEO, testing a product, or growing a YouTube channel, effort builds momentum, and momentum builds money. For example, a girl named Nina spent 6 months building her Etsy shop. She didn't make a sale for the first 30 days, but now she's making over $7,000 a month selling digital planners. That's the power of consistent effort. C is for creativity. This is your secret weapon. Creativity makes you stand out. Whether it's the way you design your website, how you hook people with your content, or the unique angle you bring to a product, this is where real money is made. Let me show you how. A guy I know named Mark creates funny product videos on TikTok for boring household items. He adds a twist of humor and now has over 2 million followers. He turned that into a 6-figure affiliate income stream. Another example, a mom who started a YouTube channel reviewing educational toys for toddlers. That unique niche landed her partnerships, sponsorships, and an income stream of over $10,000 a month. Creativity isn't just about being artistic. It's about thinking differently and presenting solutions in a way only you can. H is for hustle. And finally, hustle. It's the fire in the engine. It's not just about working hard, it's about persistence, grit, and adaptability. Hustle means pushing even when you're tired. It means experimenting, failing, and getting back up. And guess what? Hustle scales. You start with one service, one product, one stream of income. Then you add another and another. Soon you've got 5 streams making you money while you sleep. Case in point, James, a college dropout, started with one YouTube automation channel. It failed. He pivoted, started again, this time using the T.E.C.H. framework. Within a year, he had 3 faceless channels, each earning over $4,000 a month in ad revenue alone. That's hustle paying off big time. All right, let's bring this to life with a success story. Meet Aisha. 2 years ago, she was stuck at a 9-to-5 job, working in retail, making $14 an hour. She wanted out, but every online hustle she tried failed. Then she came across the T.E.C.H method. She gave herself 6 months. First, she committed her evenings, 90 minutes per day, to learning how to grow a blog. She poured in effort, writing articles, learning SEO, and using her creativity to focus on a niche, eco-friendly lifestyle tips. At first, crickets. Then one of her blog posts got picked up by a major Pinterest board. It exploded. She doubled down, used affiliate links and info products. Now, her blog generates over $12,000 per month, and she's working entirely from home. She didn't have a big audience. She didn't have special skills. What she had was time, effort, creativity, and hustle. And that changed her life. So how can you apply the T.E.C.H method starting today? Let's make it simple. Step 1. Pick your platform. Choose something you're willing to stick with for at least 6 months. That could be YouTube, blogging, freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, affiliate marketing, Etsy/digital products, print on demand. Step 2. Block your time. Set aside 1 to 2 hours a day. No distractions, no multitasking, just deep work. Step 3. Put in consistent effort. Commit to learning and improving every day. Watch tutorials. Test strategies, analyze what works, and keep going. Step 4. Infuse your work with creativity. Choose a niche or angle that reflects you. Create visuals, titles, and ideas that stand out. Find ways to connect with people emotionally, funny, helpful, inspirational. It's up to you. Step 5. Hustle. Track your progress weekly. Set mini goals. First sale, 100 followers, $100 per month. Celebrate wins. Learn from failures. Keep stacking. High-earning ideas. Using T.E.C.H. Here are 5 online side hustles that pair perfectly with the T.E.C.H method and how much people are making with them. 1. Freelance content writing. What it is. Freelance content writing involves creating written content for clients, such as blog posts, website copy, newsletters, product descriptions, and more. Businesses are constantly in need of high-quality content to boost their online presence, attract leads, and improve SEO. How it works. You can get started by creating a profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, or even pitching directly to blogs and businesses via email. Once you have a portfolio, even a few samples you've written yourself, you can begin applying for jobs. Earning potential. Beginner writers may start at $15 to $25 per article, but intermediate and advanced freelancers earn $50 to $300 per blog post. Copywriters writing high-converting sales pages or email sequences can command $1,000 plus per project. Top writers with a niche, e.g. finance, tech, health, earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month consistently. Why it works with T.E.C.H. time. Set a schedule to write daily. Even 2 hours can result in a 1,000-word article. Effort. Keep improving your grammar, structure, and tone. Creativity. Write compelling headlines, storytelling intros, and engaging hooks. Hustle. Pitch daily, build client relationships, and raise your rates over time. Second, YouTube automation channels. What it is. YouTube automation involves running a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your voice. Instead, you script videos, find stock clips or animations, and use AI voiceovers or hired narrators. How it works. You pick a profitable niche, like finance, motivation, luxury, tech, or true crime. Write a script, gather royalty-free video clips and music, and edit them into a 5 to 10-minute video. Then, you upload consistently. Monetization comes from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. Earning potential. A single viral video can earn hundreds or thousands in ad revenue. Once your channel is monetized, regular uploads can bring in $2,000 to $15,000 plus per month, depending on your niche and viewership. Why it works with T.E.C.H. time. You can automate much of the process, hire editors, writers, or use tools like Pictory or Canva for visuals. Effort. Consistency is key. Upload regularly and analyze what videos perform best. Creativity. Titles, thumbnails, and story structure make or break your videos. Hustle. Test different formats, collaborate with other channels, and reinvest into content production. 3. Print on demand, POD. What it is, print on demand allows you to create and sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, or hoodies without holding any inventory. Companies like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring print and ship the products for you when someone orders. How it works: you create a free account on a pod platform, upload your designs, and list them on a storefront or marketplace like Etsy or Shopify. When someone makes a purchase, the print-on-demand company fulfills the order and sends you a profit. Earning potential: designers who upload hundreds of creative, trendy designs can earn $500 to $6,000 plus per month, depending on their store traffic and demand. Some niches, like funny quotes, holiday gifts, or pet-themed items, perform exceptionally well. Why it works with T.E.C.H. Time. It takes time to research niches and create mock-ups, but it's scalable. Effort: regularly adding designs and testing what sells builds your store. Creativity: design eye-catching, trendy, or niche-specific visuals. Hustle: promote on Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram to drive organic sales. 4th, digital products, ebooks, templates, Notion planners. What it is: digital products are downloadable files that solve a problem or deliver value. Things like ebooks, Canva templates, spreadsheets, guides, or Notion dashboards. The best part? Create once, sell forever. How it works: you identify a pain point, e.g., how to plan your week or freelance invoice templates, and create a digital solution. You can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or even your own website. Customers purchase and instantly download the file. Earning potential: some sellers make $500 in their first month, while top creators earn $10,000 plus per month passively. If you build a loyal email list or following, sales compound. Why it works with T.E.C.H. Time. Invest time upfront creating your product. Effort: research what sells and write high-converting descriptions. Creativity: make your products visually appealing and highly useful. Hustle: promote on TikTok, Pinterest, or via email marketing to scale. 5வது affiliate marketing. What it is: affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when someone buys through your unique link. It's one of the most passive income streams available online. How it works: you find affiliate programs through Amazon, ShareASale, ClickBank, Impact, or individual companies. You then promote their products via a blog, YouTube channel, email list, or social media. When someone buys, cha-ching, you get paid. Earning potential: with the right niche and traffic source, affiliate marketers can make $1,000, $5,000, or even $20,000 plus per month. Some marketers only promote high-ticket items, $500 plus, earning hundreds per sale. Why it works with T.E.C.H. Time. Build out blog content or videos that attract organic traffic. Effort: research keywords, test offers, and learn conversion tactics. Creativity: craft value-packed content that solves problems and naturally introduces affiliate links. Hustle: grow traffic consistently, try new platforms, and scale up your funnel. Final thoughts: all 5 of these methods are 100% legit and have massive income potential, but only if you bring your T.E.C.H. game. Whether you're a beginner looking for side cash or aiming for full-time income, remember, freelance writing equals trade skill for cash. YouTube automation equals build an asset that grows over time. Print on demand equals design-led passive store. Digital products equals scalable income from one-time work. Affiliate marketing equals smart promotion for big commissions. Pick the one that suits your style and double down using the time, effort, creativity, and hustle framework. And in a few months, you could be earning more online than you ever thought possible. All right, let's wrap it up. Making money online isn't reserved for tech geniuses, influencers, or people with deep pockets. It's for anyone who's willing to put in the time, give consistent effort, think with creativity, and stay in the game with hustle. This method works, and not just in theory. I've seen it in action, I've lived it, and I know you can too. Whether your goal is $500 extra a month or a full-time 6-figure income, the T.E.C.H. method is your roadmap. Now it's your turn. What part of the T.E.C.H. method are you going to start with today? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your goals. And if you've tried making money online before, share your wins or what didn't work. I read every comment. Also, if you're ready for more no-fluff strategies, check out my video 7 Laziest Ways to Make Money Online, $775 per day plus. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Let's build that digital income together.